All right. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the beginning of distance learning. So, I've gotten so many emails, so many messages about the schedule and not understanding how the schedule works. So, I want to explain that first, then I'll explain for my class what you should be doing. On Google Classroom, I posted, I think yesterday, the overall schedule for ArrowView. So, if you look right here, I'm going to drag myself away a little bit. On Monday, these are suggested work times for you. So if you're not up at 8 a.m., it's okay, you'll survive. But if you want to be working or at least checking out all of the assignments on your Google Classroom, that's what you should be doing every single Monday. So check my Google Classroom, Rubiano's, Walker's, Romero's. Make sure that you're looking at elective and PE. Just look at them to start the work because we're posting all of the work for Monday through Friday by Monday morning. So Monday, you're looking at everything. On Tuesdays, there are blocks of schedules out for period 1 and 2. So if you're period 1 teacher, for a lot of you that's PE, you're going to have to look at their Google Classroom today to figure out what you're doing tomorrow at that time. Some teachers might be doing a video conference. They might be doing a Google Meets. Some teachers might do a Nearpod. Some teachers might do a Kahoot. Some teachers might just be available during their email or through their email during that time. It's really going to be depending on the teacher. From 11:10 to 12:10, that's your period 2. Then from 1:10 to 2:30 is office hours. So office hours also is just a time for teachers to be available to talk or answer questions from all students. Most teachers are just going to be available through email. I will be available through Google Meets. I'll post all of those codes tomorrow. On Wednesday, you have the same thing for periods 3 and 4. So you're going to have to check those teachers to see if they're having a video conference or to see if they're doing something else during those times. They should make that very clear on their Google Classrooms. And then again, office hours. Office hours are for anybody that want to talk. Like, for example, if you are my periods 5 and 6 and I'm not scheduled to see you until Thursday, but you have a question you want to ask me tomorrow, then on Tuesday, you'll be able to talk to me during the office hour time. And then on Friday, again, it's just time for you to finish up your work and make sure that it is due by midnight on Friday. So really, your responsibility as a student is to make sure you're checking Google Classroom on Monday to figure out what your plan is for the week. If you have any questions on a particular class, then contact that teacher. And if you haven't yet figured it out, your Google Classrooms are functioning, or you're not your Google Classrooms, your emails are functioning. So you should be able to access your email. I would make sure that you email your teachers doing that. For my class, when you click on classwork, this is all out of order, you will see that there's a schedule posted first underneath the topic of distance learning. When you open up the schedule, it will show you the weekly overview. So I'm going to show you guys what is expected for me for this week. Starting today, you should have looked at all of the assignments, at least looked at this schedule in PowerPoint to understand what I need from you every day. And depending on how well you understand this, I may or may not organize the information a little differently next week. So each week you're going to see a PowerPoint that has a schedule for what you need to be doing. Anything that has the 3 stars that are highlighted next to it, that's what you need to get done before you attend your class period's Google Meet with me. So for today, Monday, April 20th, you need to make sure you watch the video titled Unit Prompt Review. And if you go back to Google Classroom, that's the one with the number 1 next to it. I tried to put it in order so you knew what you had to do first. You don't need to do anything with the video other than watch it. Because when you meet with me, I'm going to ask you a question based on that information. Today, you should also be doing the Google Draw that is titled Quarantine Break. And if you go back to your Google Classroom, it's right here, Google Draw, Quarantine Break. Okay, you should be working on that next. Next, you're going to review the rest of the schedule. Email me if you have any questions. So then you're going to look and see Tuesdays. This is the assignment titled Edpuzzle OMAM Review. So you're going to have to access Edpuzzle. You're going to log in using your Google account, answer each question, review the rest of the schedule, email me if you have questions. So that assignment is also listed underneath Quarantine Break. So every day, it's one assignment basically. This is Tuesday, Wednesday, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If you have any issues logging into anything, if you don't understand the schedule still, please contact me. Again, I would prefer email because I'm usually on my email. If you email me or message me, then I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hopefully, this video was helpful. I want to make sure that everybody knows what they're supposed to be doing. If you don't have your Google Classroom codes yet for your elective teachers, I did post those earlier this week. Elective classroom codes. And today, to further explain the schedule and to answer any questions you might still have, there is a Google Meet for court jesters today. Okay? All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please remember, contact me if you need anything.